Hi guys, welcome to the world amazing channel TechTube. Yeah, today we are gonna show the Play Store tricks and tips. Yeah, first one is an indie app corner. While you're entering into your Google Play Store, you didn't have that specification of entering your country corner or country apps in the Google Play Store. So that's why we are entering into your browser, any other browser, and search for indie corner, the country corner. Yeah, I'm in the India, so I'm searching the indie corner. You may see the indie corner Google Play web page. Yeah, just entering into that, you may redirect to your Google Play Store. Yeah, this is all the Indian corner application you are seeing this. Yeah, just download it and make fun of your country corner applications. The second one is the rate relevant reviews. Yeah, we are going to show the relevant review of an application. I'm just for example, I'm going into your one of the application. There are n number of reviews you may see, but how to see the relevant review? Yeah, it's very simple. Right at the top right corner, just punch in, and there are some features for the relevant searches. Click the relevant option, whatever you want. You may see that. I'm just for example, I'm clicking this model and applying. Yeah, I'm using Redmi Note 8 Pro. The review or belong to Redmi Note 8 Pro.